Hey, Grant Wise here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to best target your Facebook ads to generate high quality real estate leads. There's actually a couple little nuances to this that people don't pay attention to that will allow you to generate some great leads. And so what I'm going to do is give you all of your targeting terms. I'm going to walk you through the setup process. So if you're in your ads manager, you'll notice we're at the ad set level of setting up this campaign. And what we want to do is actually scroll down to the audience section, and then we want to click to edit this detailed targeting. So one of the things that we do is we use a tiered approach, and this forces Facebook to match profiles of two different types of target audiences. So the first audience I'm going to go through and type in is pretty simple. It is all of the more search portal oriented targeting terms: Trulia, Realtor.com, Zillow, Homes.com, and then there is, I'm sorry, that was for employers. My apologies. I want to make sure that we're targeting it for people that are interested in Zillow. And then the last one is real estate broker in this tier. So we've created our first tier of targeting. And we see that this is obviously 81 million people because it's going throughout the entire United States. I'm going to change this to where my headquarters is located, which is Rogers, Arkansas. And then we'll zero that down. So we've got our first tier in. Now what we want to do is actually click this narrow audience button right here. And what this is going to do is it's going to make sure that we have our first pool or our first tier of targeting terms, and then we have our second tier of targeting terms. And Facebook's only going to advertise to people that match both. And if you click over this hovering icon here, it'll actually kind of show you what I'm talking about when you go to narrow audience. It's going to choose people from both audiences. This is a little hack that we use that helps us get better quality leads than other audiences that you may have used. And then there's a few terms that we are going to add in, and I'm going to go ahead and add them all in, so this might take just a second, but I want to make sure that you have every term so that way you're not missing one whenever you go to set up targeting for your Facebook ads. And this is something that will work to generate both buyer and seller leads. And you can also copy and paste this list from below my screen here. If you'll go down into the notes on this video, I've copied and pasted those so that you can access them. And we have just a few more terms to go. These are terms that will work within the special housing category. Facebook did remove quite a few terms at one point when they introduced the special housing category, but these have been recently tested as of May 27th, 2021, which is the date that I'm recording this video for you. And we use these literally every day, have for a long time, and know that they work well. I have just 3 more here, and then I will move to the next step of putting a campaign like this in place. But the purpose of my video today was, again, to help you understand the best way to target Facebook ads in real estate, as well as to make sure you understood what the best targeting terms were. And there's a lot of coaching programs, training programs out there. I just want to come in here and give value, contribute as much as I could to make sure you understand that this is actually very simple, not something you need to pay for. Just go access these targeting terms. If you'll use these targeting terms, you will generate some higher quality leads than you may be accustomed to with Facebook ads. And so that's it. I hope that this was really valuable. If there's anything else that I could help you with, I would love to. Make sure you click the subscribe button so that you can continue to get different updates and how-tos on Facebook ads for real estate. Thanks.